welcome to KEE'S. Guys, I am making some cabbage. So I already have my turkey tails boiling, and I'm just gonna cook a little bacon. Give it a little flavor. It seems like every time they record me, I'm already in the middle of cooking. So we gotta get this a little organized, a little better. I'm washing my hands. You know you mess with bacon. Any type of meat, please guys, wash your hands. So this is like 2 slices of bacon, and I have my turkey tails. They're boiling. I'm gonna let them boil for probably another maybe 5 minutes. And then my cabbage is already cut up, so I'm gonna bring you guys back once I put all these good flavors in this pot. Okay guys, so I have my turkey tails. They already cooked. So now we're getting ready. If you all hear someone outside there cutting the grass, so excuse the noise. But now I'm getting ready to put my cabbage in. And I don't cut my cabbage in really small pieces. I don't. I'm gonna drop the cabbage in here. I probably could have made some of these a little smaller. And while I notice I haven't, I am gonna chop some of them down. Okay, so we got our cabbage in here, and we're gonna add the other cabbage, because you know what, these cabbage heads, they were really small, so I had to get 2. So we got our turkey tails, like I said, that they're already in there. And what I always do is I'll take me some bacon, just a little bacon. I like to layer my flavor. So now I'm going to go in with my onions. I have red onions and green onions. And I'm going to, I'm sorry, let me slow it down. I'm getting ready to add some more red bell peppers and green bell peppers, and I do have onions in there, and so I'm putting a little bit of Lipton onion mix, but that's a lot. And I'm going to go back in with some more cabbage. And I know this might seem like a lot of cabbage to you all, but you know what, cabbage cooks down.
Yeah, that's what mine be doing when I'm cooking.
You don't cook.
Oh, mother.
You're not even trying to learn how to cook at this point, are you?
Yeah, I'm watching.
Oh, yeah. Really?
That was more than what I was doing before.
Yeah. So we're gonna pour the rest of our Lipton onion mix in here. I'm just gonna totally ignore Key because guys, she's recording videos. That's what she's doing.
I'm retaining information.
Oh, you are?
Yes. So you have to cut up 2 heads of lettuce.
No, this is cabbage.
I mean, yeah, my bad. Yeah, because you can't cook lettuce. Cut up 2 heads of cabbage.
2 heads.
And then
so we're gonna put the rest of the bacon bits in here.
Yes.
Well, might as well say they bacon bits, but they're gonna cook down because bacon do give your cabbage a really good flavor.
Yes.
And if it has made any type of grease, we're gonna put that in there too.
Yeah, I do that too.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
That's good. And so we have a little chicken broth. Okay. We're gonna pour our chicken broth in here.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
Okay. I know how, I can get when you're cooking.
Okay. So we're gonna put the top. Wait a minute, guys. I gotta add some garlic. He got a little problem. We're gonna put some more garlic powder in here. We actually cooked the smoked meat with just garlic and black pepper. That's all we used. I don't like garlic powder. I prefer granulated garlic. We're gonna put some more black pepper. And last but certainly not least, we're going to add, put the onion, okay, that's fine. We're gonna put the top on this and we're gonna let this cook down. Okay guys, oops. Okay guys, I'm back. My cabbage have been cooking for about 15 minutes. I don't know about your family, but my family, we love red crushed peppers in our cabbage. So I'm gonna put a few red crushed peppers, not a whole lot. It might look like a lot, it's really not, guys. So we're gonna turn the stove off. And I'm going to sit my top on here for about 10 minutes and I'll come back and show you guys. This is how I let my cabbage finish cooking. I just put the top on it. So I'll bring you guys back. Okay guys, as you can see, my cabbage is ready. My family is sitting around, they're ready to eat this cabbage. I made a very small pan. That's a tiny, that's a really, really tiny, tiny pan of cornbread. And guys, guess what? We're sponsored by KEE'S water bottle. Guys, check in the description box to get your code so you can order you a KEE'S water bottle. And we'll check you guys out in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!